Hello, everyone. Good day to all of you, my dear Kumasterans, especially to our professor, Dr. Junas Ulandria. I am Arnel B. Gayo from Sagisi Pris Carlos P. Garcia, Bohol, and I am teaching at Campamanog Elementary School, Campamanog Pris Carlos P. Garcia, Bohol. In today's video, we'll be talking about computer networking. Now, let us define what is a computer network or networking. A computer network is a group of two or more computers connected to share resources and information. You can build a simple computer network using only two computers, or you can connect thousands of computers into a complex network. And here are the two types of computer network according to its number of components. First, the simple computer network. And the second is the complex computer network. The types of computer network. A computer network can be further classified on the basis of its geographical location and characteristics. On the basis of geographical location, a computer network can be categorized into the following types. First is LAN or the local area network. Second is MAN or the metropolitan area network. Third is WAN or the wide area network. Fourth is PAN or the Pearson Area Network. Fifth is CAN or the Campus Area Network. And last is GAN or the Global Area Networks. While on the basis of its characteristics, it is classified into the following. First is intranet. Second is extranet. Third is internet. Fourth is VPN or the Virtual Private Network. Fifth is client-server network. And the last is the workgroup network. Now let us discuss these one by one. Let's start with the LAN or the local area network. LAN computer networks span a small geographical area such as home, building, office, and others. In a LAN computer network, computers are placed relatively close. Since computers are located within a small distance, they do not need special devices and cables to connect. And here is the image that shows an example of a LAN network. Next is the second type, which is the MAN or the Metropolitan Area Networks. A MAN network can span a city. It connects two or more LAN networks. Due to distance, if it is not possible to connect two LAN networks, a MAN network is used in the middle to connect them. MAN is larger than LAN, but smaller than WAN. It uses special devices and cables to connect the LANs. And here is the image that shows an example of a MAN network. And the third type is WAN or Wide Area Network. One computer network span a large geographical area, such as state, region, country, and even between countries. WANs are typically used to connect two or more LANs or MANs, which are located relatively very far from each other. To provide connectivity, a MAN network uses special devices, cables, and technologies. And here is the image showing an example of a WAN network. The above categorization, which is the LAN, MAN, and WAN, of computer networks is purely based on geographical location. It has nothing to do with the number of computers in each network. For example, if one computer is located in Manila City and the other computer is located in Tagbilaran City, then connecting these two computers in example of WAN networking. Similarly, if a company starts a new branch office with 500 computers and all these computers are installed only in the same building, then this network will be considered as LAN network. So meaning a LAN network could have more computers than one network because as what I've said, it has nothing to do with the number of computers, but instead, it is based on geographical location. Now let's continue to the fourth type, which is the PAN or Personal Area Network. PAN is similar to LAN, but is limited to a specific individual or location, such as a home network. This network is usually set up within personal computers to share resources such as the internet and printers. And this is the image of an example of a PAN networking. The fifth type is CAN or Campus Area Network. CAN is similar to MAN, but it is limited to university or an academy. This network is usually set up for educational activities such as classroom updates, practice labs, emails, exams, notifications, polls, and others. Now let's look at the image showing a campus area network or CAN. This is the type of a computer network that the campus used when we are once benefited, especially during our college days. The sixth type is GAN or the Global Area Networks. GAN is similar to WAN, but it covers an unlimited geographical area. For example, a company has an office in Cebu City, Philippines, and another in Washington, D.C., USA. Connecting these two offices will be considered as GAN network. In other words, a GAN network is a computer network that connects two or more WANs. This network is rapidly gaining popularity as many companies are expanding their work area beyond their countries of origin. And this is the image showing an example of a global area network or GAN. And these are the types of computer network based on geographical location, which are once again, first, the LAN or the local area network, second, the MAN or metropolitan area network, third is the WAN or wide area network, fourth is the PAN or personal area network, fifth, the CAN or campus area network, and last, the GAN or global area network. Now let's proceed to the other types which are based on their characteristics. First type is Internet. Internet is the largest computer network ever created by mankind. It interconnects thousands of millions of computing devices, including PCs, laptops, workstations, servers, smartphones, tablets, TVs, webcams, environmental devices, automobiles, security cameras, and many more. According to a report published in January 2021, there were 2,470 million end systems connected with the internet. To connect these devices, a lot of technologies and infrastructure are used. Internet is open for everyone. Anyone can connect with it. And since anyone can connect with it, it is also considered the most insecure network. The second type of computer network based on characteristics is the intranet. An intranet is a computer network that is controlled and administered by a single entity, such as a company or an organization. In intranet, external users are not allowed to connect. Usually, in this network, proper authorization is required to access any resources. Furthermore, each access is monitored and logged to ensure that only authorized users get access. The use of intranet, especially in business, is that it enables employees to share information, collaborate, and improve their communications. The third type is extranet. An extranet is an extended intranet where external users are allowed to access a small portion of the network. Normally, this access is filtered and secured by several security implementations on both hardware and software levels. In business, extranet is beneficial in a way that enables your business to communicate and collaborate more effectively with selected business partners, suppliers, and customers. An extranet can play an important role in improving business relationships and supply chain management. The fourth type is VPN or Virtual Private Network. VPN is the cost effective solution to utilize the goodies of the internet. Companies that can't afford their infrastructure for connectivity can use VPN. VPN provides a secure connection over the internet. For example, a company has two offices, one in Tagbilaran City and another in Baguio City. Now, suppose the company can't afford a dedicated line to connect these two offices. In this case, the company can use a VPN to connect both offices. VPN creates a secure line over the internet and uses it for data transmission. The fifth type is client server network. In this network, a dedicated computer known as a server offers shared resources to other computers known as clients. Clients are used to access the shared resources. This type of network is commonly used in the company environment. It provides great security features but requires special hardware and software to set up. The sixth type is workgroup network. In this network, all computers are equal. Any computer can provide and access shared resources. This type of network is usually used in a small office or home network. It is easy to set up and does not require any special hardware and software. But the downside of this network is that it provides very little security. After learning what computer network is and its different types according to geographical location and characteristics, we can say that computer network is very important and helpful for all of us. Computer networks enables communication for every business, entertainment, and research purpose. The internet, online search, email, audio and video sharing, online commerce, live streaming, and social networks, all of these exist because of computer networks. And that is all about the topic computer networking. And before I end this video, let me share to you a quote from Steve Jobs that says, technology is nothing. What's important is that you have a faith in people, that they are basically good and smart, and if you give them tools, they will do wonderful things with them. That's all, and thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, everyone, and may we all have a prosperous New Year. God bless us all.